Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is March 14th, 2025, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing S&P 500, that's SPY, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor, please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over here to the charts and see what we see. Let me maximize this quarterly chart and we size it. Boom. Good enough, good enough. And what we see here is still a red quarter. We do have a bearish engulfing on a high time frame at the top. So again, just pay attention to your trading plans and your trading strategies at this time. We are looking at a bearish pattern on a quarterly chart. Let's go ahead and go down. And we came down, but one of the important things here, we came down. One of my rules, above pivot, stay above pivot. So I expect us to stay above the pivot for the rest of the year and go higher. And right now we are getting a little bearish in the market. But by the end of the year, for us who look at quarterly charts and long-term range, as long as we're still above this pivot line, we're still good. We did come down below it and bounce back above it. But it could be like it happened back here a few years ago where it went down below it, bounced back above it, and then ended up going down from the next quarter. We just got to see how things are going to play out for the rest of the year. But let's go ahead and go down to this monthly chart and see what we see here. On this monthly chart, what we have here is a bear market, since we are below the 10-9 moving average. We have a close below there. This is the second week into this month and look like we may end up closing down here. We got to just kind of like wait and see. The only thing that I'm seeing here, these are quarterly pivots. This is the end of the quarter. So if we ended up closing this quarter in a bearish mode and end up opening next quarter below pivot that I can see right here, this can continue going down like we saw a few years ago. So that's the that's the early warning sign that this may not just be just a lot of profit taking, and we might be entering a true bear market like we had back here in 2021. I think this is 2022. So be mindful of your trading plans, your trading strategy, and trade accordingly. Let's go down to the weekly chart and see what we see here. On the weekly chart, I was kind of expecting us to bounce off this 50 moving average like we had got a bounce last week, but we ended up going below it, and we have closed below the 50 here this week. So again, this doesn't look good at all. And for this month, we are below pivot, so I do expect us to stay below pivot. I don't expect us to actually make any new highs. You won't hear me saying new highs this month, I don't think. So again, I do see us continuing to go down from where we're at right now. Just have to wait and see. This might have been the bottom. It came down to a support 3 level. That's a good level to bounce at. So it might have been it, but we're gonna have to wait. Again, we just got to wait this month out and see. The week has showed us that we might have a reversal happening right now, but wait the month out. Trade again based on your trading plans, your trading strategy. Trade accordingly. Let's go down to the daily noise and wrap this on up. On the daily noise, all the signs we're giving, the topping patterns, the bearish patterns, the follow through, the confirmation, and then continuing to the downside. Each Friday, though, we've been getting these relief rallies. Not even relief rallies. I call them profit-taking days. And profit-taking days are good days for me. For actually doing some long trades, because I like going long more so than buying the puts. The puts kind of scare me. I'm in and out. I scalp the market anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But actually, when I saw the bottom the other day on a couple of stocks, I actually carried those for a few days this week, which was a good thing. But that's why I'm saying it might be a bottom. But I remember once before I thought it might have been a bottom, and then we ended up continuing down. So again, we just got to wait and see what's happening here. And that's pretty much all I really want to share at this time. Nothing is still kind of drifting down. Just be careful. Be mindful of your trading plans and your trading strategy. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.